Welcome back, dear students. Today our topic is biofertilizers. And before discussing biofertilizers, let's have a look on some of the drawbacks of using chemical fertilizers. The chemical fertilizers are harmful for a number of reasons. The first one is they cause pollution of the aquatic water bodies. They cause eutrophication of lakes, because of the surface runoff of fertilizers from our crop fields to the water bodies. Second is that they are harmful for human beings and other animals, because these are the chemicals. Some of these chemicals, they find their way directly into the human bodies and cause a number of diseases. Third one is they reduce the fertility of soil. The excessive use of fertilizers has been found to make the soils alkaline, and because of this increased alkalinity, the soils have been rendered unfit for cultivation of crops. There are a number of other reasons why chemical fertilizers should be stopped, or you can say their use should be limited. We do not need to go into the details of all those drawbacks. Instead, we will directly move on to biofertilizers, which is an important alternative. Biofertilizers are the organisms that enrich the quality of soil. These biofertilizers, they increase the ecological benefits and minimize environmental hazards. By using biofertilizers, you are minimizing the environmental hazards, because these biofertilizers, they do not harm our environment, they do not cause the pollution, Instead, they increase the ecological benefits, by using the biofertilizers, you are not disrupting the ecological balance. They increase the ecological benefits and at the same time minimize the environmental hazards which are caused due to chemical fertilizers. Some of the important biofertilizers include, the first one is cyanobacterial biofertilizers. In this category, a number of important cyanobacteria like Anabaena, Nostoc, Olocera, Calothrix, Oscillatoria, they are used as the biofertilizers, and these cyanobacteria, they serve as important biofertilizers in paddy fields. Inside paddy fields, these biofertilizers, they fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the organic forms, and it has been found that almost 20 to 30 kg of nitrogen can be fixed by these organisms per hectare under normal conditions. The second one is rhizobial biofertilizers. Under rhizobial biofertilizers, we have rhizobium bacteria, which is present in the root nodules of leguminous plants. And inside the root nodules of leguminous plants, the rhizobium bacteria, it fixes the atmospheric nitrogen into organic form, which is then used by the plant as a nutrient. And it has been found that it can fix as much as 100 to 500 kg of nitrogen per hectare. Then the third one is free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria. This group includes those bacteria which do not form any symbiotic association with the plant. Instead, they live freely in the soil and fix the atmospheric nitrogen and add a part of that nitrogen to the soil, and hence enhance its nitrogen content. These bacteria include Azotobacter, Azospirillum, and Dersacia. And one more type is microfast biofertilizers. It includes organisms which solubilize bound phosphate of rock and increase phosphate availability to plants. And the examples are Pseudomonas and Aspergillus. These two organisms, they solubilize the phosphate which is present in the rocks and hence increase the availability of phosphate to the plants. And finally, mycorrhiza. It has been found that some fungi, they are also known to form symbiotic associations with the plants, and this symbiotic association of fungi and plant roots rather, this is known as mycorrhiza. Many members of the genus Glomus, they form mycorrhiza. The fungi which form the mycorrhizal associations with the plants, they belong to the genus Glomus. The fungal symbiont in these associations absorbs phosphorus from soil and passes it to the plant. The fungal symbiont in this association, it absorbs the phosphorus from the soil and passes it to the plant and hence acts as an important biofertilizer. Now the advantages of using biofertilizers. The first one is it is cheap and economical. Okay, it is cheap as compared to the chemical fertilizers. Second one is there is no issue of environmental degradation. Okay, it does not lead to the pollution, it does not degrade our environment. Third is besides N2 fixation, it has been found that the cyanobacterial biofertilizers, they synthesize and secrete growth hormones and vitamins which enhance seed germination. And the fourth one is they improve the physical and chemical properties of the soil. They do not degrade the qualities of soil. Okay, these are some important advantages of biofertilizers. I hope you all understand this. With this, we have completed the biofertilizers. Stay blessed and thank you.